So timber boats, unlike fiberglass, steel boats, etc., timber boats can be susceptible to attacks from marine organisms, being shipworms, Teredo bugs, a whole list of worms, etc., that live in the marine environment that will attack unprotected timber. So here we see the bottom of a timber boat. So this timber looks perfectly all right, but we notice on the outside there was a very small hole. So this is where the antifoul has failed and a marine organism has come in. And you can see he gets in, he starts off very small. But as he goes into the timber, he keeps eating, he keeps getting bigger and bigger and bigger, and he keeps turning around. So this is what he can do to a timber boat, just like a termite can to your house. On this vessel, this is actually a sacrificial piece of timber, a docking strip. So it's not detrimental to this boat that they're in here, but if you didn't look after the timber on the hull, marine worms would do this sort of damage to the hull of your boat.